All right, guys. So today we are looking at a new set of earbuds. And these ones, like many of the earbuds that we've looked at in the past, these ones are from a Soundpeats, which I actually am a big fan of the Soundpeats earbuds. These are their new Capsule 3 Pro Plus. Hear your imagination. Yeah, kind of exciting. They do say on the back that you're looking at 12 millimeter dynamic driver units, micro speakers, second generation amplifier chip. Cool. 43 hours of playtime. Now, of course, that is with the charging case, but 43 hours, that's awesome. Hybrid active noise canceling. It comes in a nice box. It does have high-res audio, LDAC, and let's just crack this open real fast. Now, you may notice I'm in a different location. Will be probably soon in kind of the area where we'll be doing most of our shooting, but I only have one camera set up today, so bear with me. Anyways, that's the box inside right there. And open it up, you do get a little box. My guess is this is a box of goodies, so my thought would be possibly weird stickers, maybe a user guide, and of course a ridiculously tiny USB-C cable. I like a longer cable because then I can use it for other stuff, but maybe I'm just being selfish. Anyways, that's them. That's right. That's them right there. I like the Soundpeats because they do usually come in these. They're just a nice put together, and it's usually like small. You guys can see that hopefully once it focuses there. It's like a smaller case, so you put it up against like my hand, which is nice. What does this say? Hear your imagination. Oh, I hear my imagination for sure. Anyways, that's them. Let's grab my phone here because that's always important. And we are going to go into Bluetooth because that is going to be something that we need. All right. So first thing is you do have your USB-C charging spot on the bottom, which is good. In gold. It's like a rose gold accent, it seems. Kind of, maybe not. I can't tell. Anyways, ooh, fancy. Those are fancy. They do have, like a lot of them do, they have the little blue stickers on them so that they don't discharge. No, it's gold. It's just plain old gold. You guys hopefully can see that. Maybe if I let that focus somewhere right there. Yeah, those are kind of sexy. I think that's right. So that's going in there. And left. Pull the little sticker do off because you need to. I don't know why I have my sunglasses on. I don't need those. And these, same idea. This is charged. Fit good in my ears, which is excellent. You guys can see them, right? Decent size. Like it's not overly long stem, which is nice. But it's also like I find you want it like for the most headphones or earbuds that I've checked, you want a decent size because usually that's where the microphone is placed. Case-wise, though, you can see it's kind of got a gray inset in there. My guess is they'll go back in nice and easy. And on the phone, I wonder, how do I turn these on? Because sometimes, you know what it is. You take the sticker off, and then they have to go back in the case because then they get recognized. I messed that up, but that's okay. Right? Put those in, and then I bet this will show up. Pairing us, and there they are. Soundpeats capsule. So you can see them now. They should pop up there somewhere. You guys see that? Soundpeats capsule. All right, we're golden. We're good. We're good to go. Connected. She's got a cool sound to her. It's the lady's voices. All right. So let's try some music. First off, I was listening to ZZ Top the other day, so I'm going to continue. Little sleeping bag. Oh, yeah. Actually, they sound quite good. And they got they're not heavy in any aspect. Like you get a lot of earbuds that are like bass heavy, right? So they're heavy in the bass, but all the other tones kind of get muffled. Oh, these are good. Like the bass is good. The mids are crisp. The treble, the high ends are crisp. And I got them all the way up. You guys may or may not be able to see that, right? If I come here, if it looks somewhere, like volume is all the way up. And I'd have to say that like there's zero distortion, which is excellent. Plenty loud. I've heard louder, but because of the fact that there's zero distortion in these, I'm guessing they've limited it. But it's, yeah, I don't think anybody would be upset with that. And then I think you tap on this. I don't know if it's a tap or a squeeze. Oh, so double tap is stop, just so you know. Yeah, double tap is start. Okay, and then I probably the single tap with it where I thought it was is probably like rewind or something. There's got to be a switch modes. Oh yeah, so I just went into the game mode, so that would be low distortion. Exit game mode. So that's 3 taps. 1, 2 on this side. Anything? No. It might just be 2 taps actually. Do I have to read the manual? Hold on. So you hold it. ANC on. So I want to just double tap that deposit. Yep. 1 tap. Okay. Like you always hear the snapping, but you shouldn't hear any echo with it. Yes, good. Noise canceling. I never find that noise canceling on earbuds is going to be as good as like dedicated headphones, like we have over ears or anything like that. But and if you hold this, pass through. Oh, pass through is good. I can actually hear all that ambient sound and like the fans and stuff like that here. So actually, the ANC is probably doing pretty good. And then normal mode. Yeah, with the normal mode, I can still hear the fans. So the ANC is doing decent. Oh yeah, no, it falls. It falls for sure. Okay, the ANC is decent. Last thing I want to try for sure is that we'll come in here and we'll do a mic test just to see, because it's important to see what the mic is like on these, I think. All right, so we're going to bring up good old Blackmagic. You guys, camera's not focusing as fast as normal. There we go, Blackmagic. Okie dokie, so I have to gain access to all this good stuff. Excellent. And let's bring up the mic for here. But as you can see, hopefully, it does say we are using the SoundPeats Capsule 3s. Super good. And let's go back here. 2 of these and record. All right, guys, so now we are getting the audio from the Capsule 3 Pro Plus. Capsule 3 Pro Plus, yes. So you should be able to get a good idea of what these actually sound like via the microphone, and if they are something that you think would be useful. So, good sound? Maybe? We'll see. All right, guys, that's the Capsule 3 Pros. Sound quality-wise, I haven't heard the mic, of course, but sound quality-wise, they're quite good. They're excellent. I would definitely wear these for sure. I like those. And they have the gold. I'm not a huge gold on my stuff, but that's personal preference, of course. If you do like gold, that's cool. It'd be nice if they came with one with like a silver or like a metallic blue or a metallic red. That'd be sweet. That's it. That's them. Love them. I'll put links down below if you guys are interested. And we'll see you guys next video. Later.